This is another video on a tape recorder. This is the tape J-37. Now it has a lot of good things in it, like mix enhancer, and you can go into the different settings: warm piano, wider mix bus, upward flutter, subtle tape warmth. You know, it just goes on. Radio Vox. Oh, hold on. Old master. The thing about reel-to-reels and plugins, reel-to-reels, I mean, if you want extra warmth and clarity in your mix, I mean, they're probably a good thing to have if you want that in your mix before you master, and you got some extra depth and clarity in your mix and color. This particular one has different settings for color, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different settings for color. Modern gives you a modern sound. This is your drive. So if it's going, you know, past 0 dB into the red, you can pull it back. Has different tape speeds, music, stop. Okay, so let's give it a listen on the old master, just to give it a listen. As you can see in here, that it gives a lot more warmth into the mix. Here's some advanced settings on it too as well. It has mode of post, and it has an EQ here. You know, bands here, 50 Hertz, 1.5 dB, and you can adjust the bands here to your liking by just pulling up or pulling down. Using EQs, pulling them to the sides like this, and then listening, you can hear where different spots in the mix maybe need to come up or come down. So if I'm pulling it in here, I'm looking for maybe weak spots in the mix. And as I'm pulling it to the sides and stuff, I'm kind of going to listen to it again to hear what needs to be pulled up or pulled down. So I'm going to pull that up a little bit. For me, that sounds really nice there, so I'm going to leave that there. Calibration, noise, instability, delay loop, offset, feedback. Okay, so anyways, I'm happy with that there, so I'm going to apply that there. Oh, that was in demo mode. Okay. Anyways, let's listen. Anyways, the bottom line is, to repeat myself, is you're looking. It gives it a lot more warmth. Reel-to-reel analog tapes, so it gives a lot more clarity and warmth to your mix, and it's something that you might want to grab. So thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel for lots more plugins, mastering tips, audio engineering tips. Bye for now. See you in the next video.